Wow. That red car up there. Yeah, no signal. Thanks a lot. What the hell is that? Whoa, signal? Jesus Christ. Dude, I am right here. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. What are you doing? Come on. There's a center turn lane. Oh, jeez. What's with people driving 9 feet from the curb? There you go. Let me see those people who are shooting. Yeah. Assholes right there. Wow. That is funny as hell. Oh, what the? Oh my God, are you kidding me? Oh, jeez, that's sudden. Move over, Long. That's way too fucking close. Oh my, you slow down right here. You're not trying it, are you? Why? That was just fucking pointless. Solid line. Okay, we're going really slow on the left lane. Second exit. Cuts off the Quiris. What are you doing? You're not supposed to do that.
Click, top knock, 17 shot, block, cock, so all niggas drop.
What are you doing?
Get broke. Best corrupt arrow, grip the terror, cause it's a murder fest. I smoke chronic every.
Over. I guess not. Damn it. Use your turn signal. A little too close.
On a pass, after the pass is not wide open, you got to make sure you got to, you know,
is that guy backing up to get on the on-ramp?
Or stay in bounds, or just go down and take a sack. You cannot.
Yes, he is.
Well, you know, we cannot lose.
You're gonna try it. Yeah, watch him speed up the stop. Exactly. You're a dumbass. It's not like he's going the speed limit by choice. Far from he's doing it. Oh, come on.
The guy got a medal for having a fucking video camera.
Oh, no, don't.
God,
Oh,
people
my
get
God.
way to fucking shoot.
Whoa.
We're kissing the feet of the soldiers. Just take his hand, beat us.
Holy
Colonel
crap.
Sanders could have fucking won in the short.
What? Sat there and waited. Dumb, that left turn there.
No trucks in the rain today. No trucks in the rain today. No trucks in the rain. No trucks in the left lane. We're singing in the fucking hurricane today. No truck FedEx, you should know better.